Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for an e-commerce platform to set up an online store in just a few hours? In this video we are going to discuss the best online store platform so you can find the perfect fit for you businesses needs and get everything set up as fast as possible. I will be reviewing Shopify, Ecommerce and Magneto to see which feature they offer and the value they can provide your businesses. Also, if at any point throughout this video you want to check your out Shopify yourself, I will got a discount link in the description below that I will help you get a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months along with a 3-day trial. We You won't find this by going directly to their website, so be sure to check that out. Before we start reviewing the e-commerce platforms, there are certain features that you don't want to miss out and on. For example, ease of use, built-in payment processing, inventory management, dropshipping, and SSL security are all features you should look out for when choosing player platform. First on our list in Shopify, a well-established platform in the e-commerce industry, now for its feature and ease of creating online store. Even if you have never set up a website before, you can easily create one with Shopify. With their user-friendly interface, building an online store has never been easier. You can add products, customize themes, content, connect your domain, set up payment methods, and configure shipping process with just few clicks. Let's take a look at the design and features of BigCommerce. You will have the option of using 100 themes from the library with 53 designs to pick up from. For inventory management, you can add products in bulk at a time, and there no cap on the number of products you can add. If you are looking to track your storage, you will have analytics reports that will help you keep track of all the products you sell. For payment processing, BigCommerce also allows you can to create coupon codes, cart level discount, and automatic discounts. Moving on to shipping features, they provide options such as free shipping, ship by way, flat rate shipping, etc. They even from offer their own shipping services in addition to other shipping apps like ShipStation and Shipper HQ. If you are local businesses, you can offer pickup as well. Finally, let's discuss Magneto. Magneto is an open source platform that offers extensive customization options, giving you a lot of flexibility. However, you will need coding knowledge to set up and manage your e-commerce store. If you are new to coding, this option might not be suitable for you. Magneto does offer great payments gateways like PayPal and AuthorizeNet, along with a bunch of payment extensions via Magneto Connect. You can also try out one-click payments and get checkouts. For inventory management, you can add products, prices, and descriptions as you go. When it comes to shipping, Magneto offers for free shipping, a fixed rate shipping, and even buy one get one free discounts. They also let out the calculate access for products being shipped to other countries. Magneto provides SSL certificate and some options from theme customization, but the number of free themes is limited. The rest come at a price, and customizing them require technical knowledge and coding expertise.